Students, a very warm good morning to all of you, and once again you all welcome back in moral science video. And children, this is my first video of this week. Yes children, as you know very well what we have started the new chapter, and I had explained also the chapter 2 and the name of the chapter, love God's creatures. Okay children, but today once again at a glance I will make you revise this chapter, and then after today you all are going to do the question answer. Okay children, so love God's creatures. Yes, we need love and care for God's creatures, because love is a special feelings that fills the heart. When you love someone, you should do little things to make them happy. Okay, so now in this chapter the name of the story is Rohit and the loving cat. Yes, in the beginning Rohit was unhappy child. Why children? Because Rohit has no any friends, and he always thought nobody loves me. So Rohit was an unhappy child. Unhappy, it means sad. Okay, one day when he sat on bed, a little cat came and hid under Rohit's bed. Okay children, so what Rohit said, when Rohit saw a cat hid under my bed, he said, "What are you doing under my bed? Get out, you lazy cat." But cat was not lazy. Why? Because cat had hurt its paw. That's why cat was not coming out from the bed. Okay children, under the bed. So when suddenly Rohit saw the cat, the cat had hurt its paw, so he started. First he said, "That's why you are not moving. You have hurt yourself." So Rohit started. Yes, he felt sorry, and he started nursing, and he gave medicine, and he said medicine will help you recover fast. Soon Rohit and the cat became good friends. Rohit's heart was full of love for the cat. Before long the cat gave birth to 4 kittens, and Rohit looked after the kittens with great love and care. Okay children, and what soon other children in the neighborhood came to play with the kitten Rohit, and now Rohit had many new friends. Okay, they all played together happily with the kittens. Okay children, so at last he had many friends, and he was very happy because now he has many new friends. So what you all have learned from the story? Yes, we should always love and serve for others. Okay children, now after that children, today you all are going to do the question answer of this chapter. Okay, like first question is here, who was there should be here, who was an, here it has left an, there you will write, who was an unhappy child. Who was an unhappy child? What will you say? Rohit was an unhappy child. Why was Rohit was an unhappy child? For children, an unhappy child, because Rohit always thought nobody loves me and he has no friend. That's why Rohit was an unhappy child. Okay, now after that, who hid under Rohit's bed? The cat. Only in the place of who you will write here, the cat hid under Rohit's bed. Why? Because cat's paw what his he saw that Rohit saw that the cat had hurt its paw. That's why cat hid under Rohit's bed. So who hid under Rohit's bed? You will write the cat hid under Rohit's bed. Now after that, who got hurt? What do you know? Yes, the cat got hurt. The cat hurt its paw, and Rohit started nursing. Okay children, so after that nursing it. Now next one is here, What did Rohit give to the cat for recovery? What did give, children? You can see in this picture. Yes, Rohit gave medicine. Rohit gave medicine. 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 Why? And he said what? That this medicine will help you recover fast. Okay, children. So Rohit gave medicine to the cat for recovering. Okay, children. Now after that, who came to play with kitten? Who came to play with kitten, children? What? Children from neighborhood. Yes, children from neighborhood came to play with the kittens. Okay, now Rohit had many new friends. Now they all played together. Okay, children. Together happily with the kittens. So who came? You will, in the place of you will say children from neighborhood came to play with the kittens. Okay, children. Came to play with the. There you will write the the with the kittens. Now after that, who felt sorry for the cat? Who felt, and why, children? Tell me. Who felt? Yes, Rohit. Why? Because Rohit thought that cat is very lazy. That's why it hid under my bed. So he said that, get out, cat. Now what is the matter with you? Didn't you hear what I say? I said get out. But when suddenly Rohit saw that the cat had hurt its paw, so he so he realized Rohit felt sorry for the cat and started nursing because the cat had hurt its paw. Okay, so who felt sorry? You will write Rohit felt sorry for the cat. Okay, children. So hope you all have understood very nicely. Once again, I am repeating this question. I am repeating here, children. Who was unhappy child? You all will say Rohit was an unhappy child. Okay. Now who hid under Rohit's bed? There you will write the cat hid under Rohit's bed. Who got hurt? The cat got hurt. What did Rohit give to the cat for recovery? Rohit gave medicine to the cat for recovery. Who came to play with kittens? Children from neighborhood came to play with the kittens. Okay, children. Who felt sorry for the cat? Rohit felt sorry for the cat. So hope, children, you all have learned this question answer. So first you will watch this video till end and try to learn the question answer. Okay, children. First you will read this chapter twice nicely with its hard word meaning, and then after today you will do the question answer of this chapter. So once again, at last, I would like to say you thank you for watching this video till end. So have a wonderful day. Okay, children. So bye bye you all.